Think ChatGPT Plus is your only option? Think again. There's a whole world of free AI chatbots out there. First up, Perplexity. This AI-powered search engine and chatbot is fantastic for research. Its free tier uses GPT-3.5, and paid users can unlock GPT-4. But you'll already get answers sourced from the web, academic papers, YouTube, and Reddit, all with handy citations. If you need up-to-date, verifiable info, Perplexity is a winner. Next, Microsoft Copilot. Integrated right into Microsoft 365 and the Edge browser, Copilot gives you direct access to GPT-4 for free. It can generate images, summarize web content, and automate your workflow, all from your browser. Perfect if you're already using Microsoft tools. Then there's Google Gemini, formerly Bard. If you live in Google's ecosystem, think Gmail, Docs, Drive. Gemini excels at real-time web access, data analysis, and creative content, integrating seamlessly with the apps you already know. Claude by Anthropic is your go-to for safe, natural conversations and huge context windows, ideal for handling long or complex documents on a free tier. Don't forget open-source options like Mistral AI, which is free for everyday tasks, or Poe by Quora, where you can try out multiple AI models, including limited free GPT-4. Bottom line, you don't need to pay $20 a month for cutting-edge AI. Try these free alternatives, mix and match, and find the chatbot that fits your flow. Explore, experiment, and supercharge your productivity. No credit card required.